ICC's Global Cricket Academy in Dubai wore a busy look as Scotland and Afghanistan did the hard yards 2 days prior to the start of their ICC Intercontinental Cup final in Dubai.
We beat before Scotland in 4 days. We got all total 20 points against them, and I bowled well against them, took 11 wickets. I'm very excited for this final. I'm just waiting for the after tomorrow start the game, and inshallah we hope to win this final and took a trophy back to the home, because we just nearly missed the gold medal in the Asian Games.
Afghanistan are in their maiden ICC Intercontinental Cup thanks to a sensational streak that saw them clinch 5 wins out of 6, with a creditable away draw in Zimbabwe.
We beat Ireland, Scotland before that, Kenya, Holland, Canada. For me, it's amazing because first time when we play against Zimbabwe, first 4-day cricket, we was a little bit nervous because we never played before, nobody played before.
Meanwhile, the inaugural winners, Scotland, made it to the final on the back of 4 wins and a draw, losing only to Afghanistan. A showing that kept even Zimbabwe and 3-time champions Ireland out of the picture.
The pleasing thing for me is that it's been a real team effort. We've had, in all the performances,